Hi there, just quick overview on topic 1, health and safety, one of the exam questions. Here is the question. It's about building service contractor. We're looking at heating and ventilation in a factory. Going to be working with hazardous materials, so we've got to have a little bit of think about COSH. And then the idea is to say, yeah, well, actually, there's lots of substances that are hazardous. Can you state 2? Now, you could probably think of 2 off the top of your head, but you've really got to think about the question. The question is asking you to state. So in red there, short. So stating is literally just saying what other hazardous substances there are. So it can be a short phrase or 1 to 2 words. So I'd be saying, right, what forms are there? Can I state them really quickly? Do not forget, this is your application. So we're talking about heating and ventilation system. So when we're talking about hazardous substances, not all the same substances are hazardous in this situation as they would be, for example, if you're doing groundworks to install the foundations. So there'd be different things to concern yourself with. So we're looking at forms. Now, if you do not know the forms of substance hazardous to health, what you should be doing is Googling, looking on YouTube, getting familiarised with COSH. So the hse.gov.uk website has a lot of the information you require here. You can either Google forms of substances hazardous to health and maybe put COSH in, or go straight to the HSE and look up COSH. Sorry. So you might want to do that now and come back when you've done that, because I'm just about to move on to the results of that search. Okay, assuming that you've gone and had a little look, I'm going to show you what I found. 2 forms, 2 marks. Do not use vapours, okay? So hazardous substances, it says here, take many forms such as vapours. You can't use that. So here is my list that I found when I did my research. Construction dust, cement, lead, solvents, and then all those at the bottom. Here's the mark scheme. So if you have a quick look at that mark scheme and you have a look at what I found, they were slightly different. Now, if you think construction dust, now dust, yeah, so if you're sort of installing new heating and ventilation, you've got to drill, you've got to make holes, you've got to do that sort of thing. So yes, fumes and smoke, dust and fibres, yeah, they may be prevalent. Cement and lead, now, are they used in heating and ventilation systems? Well, actually, probably not. So I would not be using those 2. And look, they're not down here. So if you say cement and lead, when you're talking about heating and ventilation, you're probably going to get that incorrect, okay? So if you look at the other ones, solvents, microorganisms, carbon dioxide, they're in there already. Microorganisms there, solvents, chemicals, fumes, smoke, that sort of thing. It's just gases, yeah? So any of these will give you a point, and you just need to list 2. So that's it really. So I hope this slide helps, and look forward to seeing you at the next one.